The last of the 4 kinesio tape techniques I will show you is a postural taping technique for the upper back and neck. I see many people walk into the clinic hunched over. That creates a lot of issues for your upper back into your neck region. This taping technique allows for a better posture, holding your shoulders further back, however not doing the work for you. This retrains the muscles to do the work of the postural muscles to help you stay nice and upright, preventing further injuries. Again, I have cut probably about a 15 centimetre length piece of tape and rounded the edges. You're going to need 2 of these. As you can see here, Tim is sitting in a nice upright position with his shoulders back. The first piece of tape will be applied to one side of the shoulder, just above the shoulder joint. From there, a nice amount of stretch should be applied, coming across the back. That's one part of the X I'm going to make on Tim's upper back. Same thing with the other piece on the other side. That should be nice and firm, holding Tim's shoulders back. If Tim were to move his shoulders forward, he should feel the tape pull him back into that position. However, it's not going to hold him there. He's still going to have to use those muscles to help support his upper back. This is one of my favourite taping techniques using the kinesio tape. I find it more beneficial than the rigid sports tape because that doesn't allow any movement at all. You still want the person to be able to move, however still give them some support. So that's kinesio tape technique number 4.